Today our topic is very interesting. Hope this video will help you to completely understand the hydrogen bonding. When hydrogen is bonded to a highly electronegative atom, such as nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, the bonding electron pair is drawn towards the electronegative atom. Like in case of hydrogen fluoride, due to high electronegativity, partial negative charge is developed on fluorine and partial positive charge is created on hydrogen. In hydrogen bonding no electrons are involved, and due to small size of hydrogen, high positive charge developed on hydrogen, the nucleus of hydrogen atom is exposed to attraction by nearby electron cloud, a lone pair electrons on the electronegative atom. So we can define hydrogen bonding as electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atoms bonded to small, strongly electronegative atoms and the lone pair electrons on these electronegative atoms. Essential requirements for formation of hydrogen bond. First one is a hydrogen atom must be directly bonded to a highly electronegative atom. Second one is an unbonded pair of electrons, lone pair electrons, is presented on the electronegative atom. Some example of hydrogen bonding are hydrogen fluoride, water, ammonia and methanol. We will discuss them in detail. Hydrogen bonding is of two types. First is intermolecular hydrogen bond formed between two molecules as in case of hydrogen fluoride. Second one is intramolecular hydrogen bond formed between two different atoms in the same molecule. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Hydrogen bonding affect the physical properties of molecules as we see the boiling point of group 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th group of product table. Here we can see high boiling point of water, ammonia and hydrogen fluoride. These molecules have high boiling point due to strong hydrogen bonding. Now the question arises, why water have high boiling point as compared to hydrogen fluoride? Although it is expected that HF should have more boiling point because it is highly electronegative as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. But in actual water have more boiling point. The reason is that water form two hydrogen bonding per molecule and hydrogen fluoride form just one hydrogen bond per molecule.